Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Library. Today we are going to share a very straightforward tutorial on how to update your Instagram application. Updating your apps does provide latest features and also removes bugs. So, let's begin. To begin, using the device, open the application store if an iPhone is being used, or open the Android market if being used is an Android device. Browse to the search bar and search for Instagram. Immediately, you will find Instagram among the search results. If you see Update next to Instagram, do not hesitate to press it. If all that you have is open, it means that your app is the most recent version. But if you don't see the Update button, then hop into Settings, then General tap on iPhone storage and then on Instagram. Now tap the button that says Offload App. It will basically free up the storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Now click on Reinstall App button, it will reinstate your data. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech guidance from the Tech Library team, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. If you have more questions on this topic, please feel free to leave a comment below. Please subscribe for more videos and we shall see you on the next video.